The scientific method is a systematic approach to understanding the world around us. It involves a series of steps that help scientists gather evidence, test hypotheses, and draw conclusions. While the exact steps may vary, slightly depending on the specific field of study, the overall process remains consistent. Here's a breakdown of the steps involved in the scientific method. This is the initial step where scientists observe a phenomenon or ask a question. They notice something unusual or intriguing, and it sparks their curiosity. Based on their observations, scientists formulate a specific question that they want to investigate. This question should be clear, concise, and testable. A hypothesis is an educated guess or prediction about the answer to the question. It should be a statement that can be tested through experimentation. Scientists design and conduct experiments to test their hypothesis. They manipulate variables, collect data, and control for other factors that might influence the results. The collected data is analyzed and interpreted. Scientists look for patterns, trends, and relationships between the variables. Based on the analysis of the data, scientists draw conclusions about whether their hypothesis is supported or refuted. They evaluate the evidence and determine if it is sufficient to accept or reject their prediction. Scientists share their findings with the scientific community through publications, presentations, and conferences. This allows other researchers to review their work, replicate their experiments, and build upon their findings. Key components of the scientific method. The hypothesis must be able to be tested through experimentation. Experiments should include a control group that is not subjected to the experimental treatment. This allows scientists to compare the results and determine if the treatment had a significant effect. Other scientists should be able to replicate the experiment and obtain similar results. This helps to ensure the reliability and validity of the findings. The scientific community reviews and evaluates research papers before they are published. This process helps to maintain quality standards and identify any flaws or biases. Importance of the scientific method. The scientific method is a fundamental tool for understanding the natural world. It provides a systematic and objective approach to investigating phenomena, gathering evidence, and drawing conclusions. By following the steps of the scientific method, scientists can discover new knowledge. The scientific method has led to countless discoveries and advancements in various fields of science. Solve problems. Scientists use the scientific method to address practical problems and develop solutions. Improve technology. Many technological innovations are based on scientific research and discoveries. Promote critical thinking. The scientific method encourages critical thinking and evidence-based reasoning. In conclusion, the scientific method is a powerful tool for understanding the world around us. It provides a structured approach to inquiry and helps scientists to make reliable and objective conclusions. Conclusion finality, the end, a stopping point, a journey's bend, a resolution, a settled score, a closure, a locked door. Conclusion, a summing up, a review, a verdict, a judgment, a fresh point of view. A synthesis, a unification, a whole, a completion, a making of the soul. By following the steps of the scientific method, scientists can contribute to the advancement of knowledge and improve our understanding of the natural world.